Hi everyone, Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be working with some words this week that have the W in it. You'll notice that all of our words are either starting with W or have W as our second letter. When you're adding W in a word, with a vowel set or with words that have vowels that are controlled by the letter R, sometimes you're going to hear different sounds. So what I did here at the top was I put some of the different sounds that you can hear when you're adding a W. Like in this first section here, you have W plus OR can make the sound, or W plus OR can make the OR sound. When you're switching over to AR, there are words sometimes where a W with an AR makes the OR sound. And then our last way, we have WEAR, which makes the AIR sound. So we're going to be looking at that with our words this week. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to read the words to you, and then we'll go through and start doing a little bit of sorting ourselves. We have the word war, like not a war that you fight, but I wore my clothes. So we have war, warm, worn, wear, dwarf. Then I have swear, swarm, worn, worth, work. Even while I'm reading them, you can hear that the sound changes. Then I have word, worm, war, worse. So two wars. We have war and war. We have our homophones, but you'll notice that they have two different meanings. Then last column, swore, wart, world, and warp. Warp means like something doesn't stay the same shape, like it can change shape. So going through here, we have W plus OR at the top, making the sound. So as I'm going through and looking at some of our words, I'm noticing W plus OR here, worth, making the sound. I also have work and word. You're hearing with that. Worm, worse, and world. So all those words making the sound. Then in my next column, I had W plus OR, but now we're looking for the OR sound, like in worn, in swore, and I believe that's it for the OR. Then I'm switching over to AR. W plus AR having the OR sound, so warm, dwarf, swarm, worn, all with the OR sound, and wart and warp. And then my last headers that I have here, I have W plus EAR making the air sound, so I have wear, I have swear, and I believe that's it. I do not see any oddballs this week. So if you have any questions, please make sure you raise your hand. If you're unsure what a word means, just raise your hand and I can come over and I can help you with that. Make sure you're grabbing your scissors, you're cutting out. Remember, your sort has to be done before the end of spelling time. Happy sorting. And again, if you have any questions, just pop your hand up and I will come around and help you.